Hello, my dearest, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I am excited to share with you a recipe that is close to my heart: beetroot bread. This isn't just any recipe, it's a story of tradition, creativity, and a splash of color that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. My love for beetroot bread began in my grandmother's garden. Every summer, she grew the most vibrant beetroots, their deep red color promising a burst of flavor. She taught me that the best dishes come from the heart and from using fresh, natural ingredients. For this recipe, we will need 2 fresh beetroots, 300 grams of flour, 50 grams of sugar, 40 grams of butter, 4 grams of yeast, and a pinch of salt. Each component brings its own magic to the recipe, but it's the beetroot that truly shines, both in color and taste. After mixing all our dry ingredients together, we go ahead to peel and blend our beetroots. The vibrant red will not only add color but also a subtle sweetness to our bread. We mix the blended beetroot with our dry ingredients and then we begin to knead. Feel the textures combining, transforming into a smooth, elastic dough. This part always reminds me of the therapeutic rhythm of baking with my grandmother. After kneading for a while, we go ahead and add our softened butter, and then we continue to knead until we have that perfect elastic dough. Now we let our dough rest and rise. This is when the yeast works its magic, creating air pockets that will make our bread light and fluffy. Patience is the key here. Just like my grandmother's kitchen, where good things always took time. After the first rise, we punch down the dough to release the air. Then we go ahead and do a little light kneading again in an attempt to deflate the dough as possible and remove all the air present. After which, we shape the dough into our desired shape. Placing the dough in the loaf tin, we let it rise again, giving it time to reach its full potential. We do a little bit of egg wash for that after bake glow, and we proceed to bake in the oven. And here it is, our beetroot bread, fresh from the oven. The moment we open it up, we reveal the stunning red hue, a feast for the eyes and a treat for the taste bud. Each bite is a reminder of my grandmother's garden and the joy of creating something beautiful and delicious from simple ingredients. Sharing this bread with my family brings back so many cherished memories. It's more than just food, it's a story of love, tradition, and creativity. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Until next time, happy baking and enjoy the little moments that make cooking special. Bye.